In this video, I'll show you the best settings for a low-end PC to boost FPS in Marvel Rivals. What you want to do first is open the game and go into settings. In here you want to make sure that you're playing on full screen. I'm just in window to show you guys with the recording, but you want to be on full screen. Your resolution should also be on the maximum, unless you have really big FPS issues, then you can try and lower it. Now, after that you should choose performance, scroll down, in graphics quality, choose low, and then you can just back out of it. Then what you want to do is search for power and go to the power plan. Go to power options and choose high performance. If you cannot find it, you might have to press here. And after that, you want to right click on your desktop and open Nvidia control panel. If you don't have this option, you can just skip this step, but if you have this option, you want to do this. Then let it load for a little bit. Go to manage 3-day settings. Scroll down and find power management mode, prefer maximum performance, texture filter and quality, high performance. After this, right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down and find graphics settings, hardware accelerated GPU on. In here we want to add Marvel Rivals, so just find the game folder for it. You can find that by going to Steam, Properties, Browse, click up here, Control C, and then Browse. Click up here, Control V, press Enter, and then you can add the game. Then you want to press here, Options and High Performance. Once you've done this, you want to come here and search for Game Mode. Come in here, turn Game Mode on. If this causes any issues for you, you can just turn it off, but for most people, it's gonna improve. Then go to Game Bar and turn this off. Then we want to update our drivers, so search for Device Manager, Display Adapters, right click and update. You also want to download the software, so just Google your GPU name and type in software, and in my case it's the Nvidia one. So launch that one and there will be an automatic installer and downloader to update your driver in there, so just press on that one. Then once you've done all of this, come here and search for View, Advanced System Settings, choose Settings, and in here you can choose for performance. So just select performance, and I like to keep smooth edges and show thumbnails on. So just apply an OK, and this will work as well. Then after doing all of this, you should restart your PC, and now it should hopefully be much better. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.